5 minutes daily hacks to boost your energy. We've all been there. It's 2 p.m. You're staring at your computer screen, and your eyelids feel like they're made of lead. You reach for another cup of coffee, knowing deep down that it's just going to make you crash harder in a few hours. But what if there were simple things you could do in just 5 minutes that would actually give you lasting energy throughout the day? The good news is that there are. And the even better news is that none of them require expensive supplements, fancy equipment, or a complete lifestyle overhaul. Let's talk about some 5-minute hacks that can genuinely transform your energy levels. First up, and this might sound counterintuitive, is the cold water splash. When you feel that afternoon slump coming on, head to the bathroom and splash cold water on your face for about 30 seconds. What you're doing here is triggering something called the dive reflex, which is an automatic physiological response that humans share with marine mammals. Your heart rate slows, blood vessels constrict, and your body redirects blood flow to your vital organs, including your brain. The result is an instant feeling of alertness that can last for an hour or more. Now let's talk about breathing. Most of us breathe shallowly throughout the day, especially when we're stressed or focused on screens. This actually starves our cells of oxygen and makes us feel tired. A technique called box breathing can completely reset your energy in under 5 minutes. You breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds, and hold again for 4 seconds. Do this for 10 cycles, and you'll notice a significant difference. Navy SEALs use this technique to stay calm and focused in high-pressure situations, so it's definitely powerful enough for your Wednesday afternoon meeting. Here's one that most people completely overlook: drinking water. Studies show that even mild dehydration, as little as 1 to 2% of your body weight in fluid loss, can significantly impact your energy levels and cognitive function. The tricky part is that by the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. So the hack here is simple. Keep a water bottle at your desk and set a timer to drink a full glass every 2 hours. It takes less than a minute to drink the water, but the energy benefits compound throughout the day. Movement is another massive energy booster, and you don't need to go to the gym to get the benefits. 5 minutes of simple movement can increase blood flow, release endorphins, and shake off that stagnant feeling that comes from sitting too long. This could be a quick walk around the office, some jumping jacks in your living room, or even just standing up and stretching. Research from the University of Georgia found that sedentary people who engaged in just 20 minutes of low-intensity exercise 3 times per week reported feeling more energized. But even shorter bursts can make a difference in the moment. Let's get into something a bit more unexpected: your eyes. We spend an enormous amount of time looking at screens that are roughly the same distance from our faces all day long. This causes eye strain, which leads to headaches and fatigue. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple fix. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This relaxes the focusing muscles in your eyes and can significantly reduce that end-of-day exhaustion that so many of us experience. Sunlight exposure is another game changer that most people don't take advantage of. Just 5 minutes of natural sunlight, especially in the morning, helps regulate your circadian rhythm by suppressing melatonin production and boosting cortisol in a healthy way. This sets your internal clock for the day and helps you feel alert when you should feel alert and sleepy when you should feel sleepy. If you work in an office without windows, make it a priority to step outside for even a few minutes during daylight hours. Now here's one that might surprise you: power posing. Research from social psychologist Amy Cuddy suggests that standing in a confident, expansive posture for just 2 minutes can increase testosterone levels and decrease cortisol, the stress hormone. While some of the original claims have been debated, many people report genuinely feeling more energized and confident after doing this. Stand with your hands on your hips, feet shoulder-width apart, chest open, for 2 minutes before an important task, and see if it works for you. Finally, let's talk about the strategic micro-nap. If you can find a private space, closing your eyes for just 5 to 10 minutes, even without actually falling asleep, can restore mental clarity and energy. The key is keeping it short. Anything longer than 20 minutes risks entering deep sleep, which will leave you groggy. Set an alarm, close your eyes, and let your mind drift. You'll wake up feeling remarkably refreshed. The beauty of all these hacks is that they work with your body's natural systems rather than against them. Unlike caffeine or energy drinks, which artificially stimulate your nervous system and lead to crashes, these techniques tap into existing physiological mechanisms to give you sustainable energy. The trick is consistency. Pick 2 or 3 of these hacks and incorporate them into your daily routine. Within a week, you'll likely notice that your overall energy levels are higher and your afternoon slumps are less severe. Within a month, these practices will become second nature. Energy isn't just about how much sleep you get or what you eat, though those things certainly matter. It's also about how you move, breathe, hydrate, and interact with your environment throughout the day. Small interventions, done consistently, add up to massive changes over time. And the best part is, none of this costs you anything but 5 minutes of your day. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe for more practical health hacks, and share this video with someone who could use an energy boost today.